Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add or insert a table into your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me navigate to that space here inside my Miro whiteboard and zoom out a bit for better overview. So what you want to do is take a look at that list of tools here to the left. And here guys, at the very bottom of that list, you will see that plus icon, tools, media, and integrations. Click into it. And amongst formats, simply select table, just like that. And after that, your cursor will change, as you can see. So now simply left click where you'd like to place your table, just like that. Left click, and that is going to add your table. So let me zoom in a bit, as you can see here. So that table features various columns and also rows. So you can, for example, click into the given column, for example, edit the given field. And you can do that with any other column. For instance, you can do the same with your rows here to the left. You may select them, for instance. You may also change their position. You may add more, for instance, and so on and so forth, guys. So you can change the layout here from table to timeline. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, if you'd like to enter a value into a cell, simply left click into it. And after that, enter the given value, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.